Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For new videos, subscribe and notifications. Today we are going to be playing Don't Push the button. So this is lava. So okay, let's see who's down there. Ooh. Okay, we all died because that's what we do. Okay, so now when we always start on the button by the button, just in case, because a lot of crazy stuff happens, and the wall's still here, the floor is still here, the wall's still here. There's some of that. That looks like a nice picture. What? That's, yeah. That's funny. Get on the yellow platform quick. They died. Okay, this is so weird. Okay, it says probably go down. I wouldn't go down there. Because you don't know what could happen. Oh, I must know that. Okay, so that guy's back. I'm guessing there's some diamonds I'm gonna get. Quick, get on the hole. Ooh, I was so close. Ooh. Okay, so the next thing. Did this slide again? Why do we keep on doing the slide? Okay, guys, so now we are going. It says wait until the next round ends. Okay, so someone has joined. Or the guy comes with a sword just to kill people. That's really bad. Okay, ready? The color scenes titles team. Get it all red, 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 red. Red, 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 red. We got more. You can literally see it. Okay. Okay. We're doing a zombie. Okay, I'm not sure really. I was just standing on something. Didn't know what it was. Okay, I'm up here and I'm on there. It says I finished the I am proud. It says I literally on my thing. Get ready to flip your table. What? Begin. Try one more. Yes. Okay, so I finished the obby. I still have it on there. Quick, go on the corner. Okay, I'm picking green. Green seems lucky for some reason. Ooh. Okay, we got it. Try again. Go into the yellow. Yellow better be easy. And then we all die, except that person. Ooh. Try one more time. I'm good on this one. I lost. At least I actually won about a lot of them, so I actually kind of won. We almost did not make that. Okay. Next thing it says you've better finish the maiden 20. They're all following me. It's following me. Stop it. Dead end. Has to be this one right here. And then we go back to here. Here. Dead end. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm gonna go probably here to here. This is actually kind of really hard. Okay, so I'm at the 40. Can't count that wrong. This is actually kind of challenging. The person died for some reason. Okay, I'm trapped. Everyone's on the other side. I'm like nowhere. How did they all make those? It's time to trivia questions. In the year was don't press the button graded 2018. I think wrong. Choose another answer, but better luck next time. None of us could make it. That was actually really hard. Oh, I thought it was coming again. Like I need to run. What the heck's that? Oh, he's trying to kill you guys. That's so funny. He's really coming after us. That's creepy. Oh my gosh. That girl died. That girl just got blown up. Well, I hope you guys really liked this video. Please smash the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye. Peace.